What's up guys, in this video today, I am going to show you the top 5 best spin mop in 2023. A spin mop is an effective cleaning tool with a round and absorbent head that's wrung out using a spinning mechanism. Spin mops have circular microfiber heads that help clean your floors and other hard-to-reach areas, and come with mop buckets that have built-in spinning baskets that fling water and dirt from the mop's head. Whether you need a tool for whole floor or spot cleaning, spin mops are an affordable and easy-to-use cleaning solution. I've made this list based on maximum range, consumer feedback, safety features, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. So without delay, let's start to the video.
OSHANG Deluxe Spin Mop, brand new design concept. Curved figure, separate dehydration basket design, easy extraction from the dehydration basket. Stainless steel basket with built-in bearing. Easy dehydration, save time and effort. Counterclockwise cleaning technology. Detachable scrubber. Silent wheel, smooth movement. Foldable handle allows you to easily move the bucket. Microfiber mop head, 180-degree flexible rotation, can effectively gather and hold dust, easily releases debris when rinsed. No more back pain guaranteed. The handle can be extended to 60 inches long. Drain plug design. OSHANG, less effort, better cleaning.
Why O-Cedar? Because I would never bathe in dirty water. So why would I clean with it?
New O-Cedar Rinse Clean. Just fill the tank and rinse with continuously clean water, not with dirty. Press the pedal, spin, and the dirt goes straight into the bucket. Its microfiber removes over 99% of bacteria with just water. Clean water with every rinse.
Try it. You'll see.
New Rinse Clean, the fresh spin on cleaning. O-Cedar, it feels great to feel at home.